From the provider of DeeKom, 14,000 RPM, 6 speeds, 6,000 milliamp. It is a waist fan that you could put on or around anywhere imaginable. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside. It comes in a number of colors and models. Let's take it out of the box for you. You get an instruction guide included, USB-C compliance cable, lanyard strap, this fan in black. A close-up look, you have a strap, the fan area, the breathing area all around, another clip, and the air that the air circulates from, and the USB-C, and the on switch. The lanyard strap can be set up by simply removing off of the unit. Located on the side, just simply slide up through the holes and lock into place. When both sides are on and snapped on, the next step is to charge the unit by plugging in to a brick and a USB-C compliance cable to the unit. On the unit are 2 LEDs in red for charging, located over here. When turning on, press once, a blue light, and each press will go to the different speeds, all the way to the highest of 6 levels and off. The fan has a runtime of up to 40 hours, depending on the level of speed. Wear around your neck for the air to blow up. Put it on the waist by using one of the clips to the belt located on your pants. Turn the fan on by the orange button as the fan blows up, and this allows to cool the area by you. Doing gardening around the house, the fan is cooling off. Use it for activities like barbecuing in the backyard, sitting outside by the picnic table, and more. So if you're looking for a waist fan that you can simply put down on the table, work by the garden, by the barbecue, by the car, the work, where you need to have a fan, cool off, makeup, drying nails, and more. This fan may be something that you are looking for. It is a waist fan, 6,000 milliamp battery, 40 hours of runtime with 14,000 RPMs and pretty quiet when using. I hope you enjoy your fan. Thank you for viewing.